Good morning to all. In this video, we are going to discuss about the features of OOPs. Object-oriented features are categorized based on the usage. Okay, the object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm. It is based on the object-oriented programming concepts. It will purely based on the objects, which is used for encapsulate the data and its behaviors. Some of the key features of object-oriented programming includes encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, class and object, message passing, dynamic binding and modularity. These are all the key features of object-oriented programming. It is a diagrammatic representation of encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but the wrapping up of data. Okay, this will be used to wrap the data which are kept inside. We may not know the what kind of data is used, and we may not know the what kind of methods are used and what kind of class is used. Just we can run our program alone. It is a bundling of data and methods, okay, that operate inside the class. And the next one is the abstraction. The abstraction is hiding the data. It will be used to hide the internal data. For that you can consider the ATM machine. Just we will go to the ATM machine, we will insert the card, we will get the amount, we'll do the sum of the process, but we may not know the hidden process. Likewise, you can consider this coffee machine also. In this also we may not know the internal working of coffee machine. Just we will press the button, we will get the coffee in the tumbler, right? So for that the example is given. So for achieving this abstraction, it is achieved through the visibilities. The visibility, there are three types of visibility modes are used: private, protected and public. Okay. Then the next concept is the inheritance. This inheritance, it is used to inherit the properties from the base class. It allows to inherit the properties from the base class. Basically, this will be used to achieve the reusability of the program. The program reusability is achieved through this inheritance concept. If you consider the animal, there are two types of animals, dog and cat also. Basically, it is the different types of animals, but the basic characteristics and the behaviors, it will remain same. Okay. Then the polymorphism. Polymorphism means, poly means many, then morphism means forms. If you are giving a single object, it will perform the different kinds of operations. For this the example is shown. You can consider the any human. This man is capable to perform the 6 different types of operations. Okay. And the class and object, the class, it's like a blueprint for creating an object, but the object, it is a instance of that particular class, which is used to perform its own operations and the variables. Okay, it will perform its own operations. Then the next one is message passing. The message passing, it is used for sending or transforming the data from one object to another object. Okay, the transformation of data is done through this message passing features in the Java programming. Okay. The object will interact with each other by calling the method and exchange the data, and it will allowing the modular and structured program design. Okay. The next one is the dynamic binding or late binding. The dynamic binding, for this the example is shown as our mobile phone. Just we are having the 3 types of buttons, right? On off button, and another one is for increase the volume, and another one is to decrease the volume. It will be after switch on your mobile phones only we can able to use the volume increase and decrease buttons. Okay, but before that we may not use that one. Okay, it is the dynamic binding. It will be execute the function call to determine at the runtime. This will be used to enable the flexibility method overriding. Okay. The next one is modularity. The modularity means the larger program it will be get divided into multiple small programs, and the each smaller modules it will be solved separately, and after completing it is combined. Thank you.